Omar, if I may intervene at this point, because as Dr. Delino was speaking, I was just thinking that, subhanAllah, how Quran taught these fundamental concepts to Rasulullah ﷺ and to the Ummah, through him to the Ummah, and how Rasulullah ﷺ then gave the practical demonstration of what was being taught in the Quran. Just few things that you were talking about. Using your negative energy and then internalizing the negative energy, understanding it, and then transforming it into something positive. So there's a concept in our deen of Ihsan, right? Ihsan means that if somebody has done something bad or wrong to you, in return, you do two things. In return, you forgive them. So basically, by forgiveness, that means that you negate all the negativity that is there. You neutralize it. And not only do you forgive them, you do something good for them. So Ihsan has two elements. You forgive a person, and once you have forgiven a person, you do something even better for them. You do something in return good for them, right? So the negative energy got neutralized when you forgave the person, and then it turned into positivity once you did something good for them. As a leader, that's extremely important. There would be many times when people would have done something wrong in the organization that you're leading, in the group that you're leading. So forgiving the people and then doing something good to them. Two examples that are just rushing into my mind. In the Battle of Uhud, there were certain Sahaba radiallahu ta'ala ajma'in who misunderstood a command from Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and as per their misunderstanding, they acted in a manner in which Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't desire for them to act. As a result, Muslims incurred a lot of loss, the loss of life, loss of wealth, and many a Sahaba radiallahu ta'ala ajma'in lost their lives as well. Of course, this was a difficult situation. This was a situation where, as a leader, you would be infuriated that, why would you not do something that I had told you? A very simple command, why would you not understand that? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam acted just the opposite. Not only did he forgive those Sahaba Ikram, but just to reassure them that they are forgiven. It's not just that you're forgiven, you do what you do, I do what I do. He further went on to consult them about the next steps that they should be taking now that this battle is over. So he went into a consultative mode, ensuring that they feel that they are still part of the group, they are still trusted, right? And upon this, Allah commended Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he said that had you been hard-hearted with them, had you had been tough with them, the Sahaba would have disseminated, they would have gone away. It was the softness of Rasulullah ﷺ, the ability to convert the wrong into positivity that helped that Sahaba Ikram stay together. Another example, very quickly, Umar, the conquest of Makkah. Makkah was a place where Rasulullah ﷺ was expelled from. This was a place where he, his family, the companions and their families were tortured. They were really given hard, tough time. When Rasulullah ﷺ comes back, he follows the principle of Quran, which says that itfa billati hiya ahsan, that do away with it with something good. He at that point in time knew that if I showed mercy, if I showed acceptance and open-heartedness to the people, they would all come into the fold of Islam, and that's exactly what happened.